Not a lot of traffic out today.
Great day to be out and about, or up and about.
November 1992 Alpha, cancel radar service. I'm just going to fly VFR, go someplace, no trouble.
So 1992 Alpha, remain clear of Tallahassee, class Charlie airspace, radar service are terminated, squawk VFR, free exchange approved.
Squawk VFR, exchange approved, clear of Tallahassee, airspace, no trouble.
Yeah, it'll be a long time before we see news like this again.
Yep.
Our company station says runway 1836 are closed.
I remember when it snowed in 1977, and it was a decent amount of snow, but it wasn't this much, and
you're able to land on it.
it definitely melted off a lot faster.
There are none. Cool thing.
Didn't we have a 90s storm, a couple inches?
Yeah, we had 1989 when we were in high school, and then there were 2 times since I've been practicing law that we had very light snow. Those were just much lighter. I'll pass over the Quincy Airport, then I'm going to turn back around and descend to 1,300 feet. Yeah, so that's downtown Quincy, like right here. Oh, that's Waverly Pond right there. There's the house. Waypoint was pretty accurate. All right, Blake Dowling in the plane, runs Aegis.
My maiden flight on the Federalist Express.
All right.
Beautiful day in the capital city.
We got some good sightseeing. Got some snow on the ground. A day and a half after the snow. It's still a lot down there. Definitely for Tallahassee. So Blake, tell us what's going on at Aegis right now.
Well, we've got a little snow on the ground. We got a lot of internet outages, so that's always exciting. We just moved into the old Florida Internet and Television building, and we're 4 months in, so it's just about perfect, man.
Awesome. You guys have done great work for the Lawson Law Firm. Appreciate you.
It is a privilege and an honor to be of service.